Hi everyone, my name is Matthew Smithies. I am a lead developer for Course Match and the CTA for Davo. I wanted to introduce my project, Trust Enterprises. I want to create a mini course that kind of displays the power of this project, but for the first video I kind of want to go over why. Now, I've been working in blockchain since 2017. I've worked with a number of companies and the cost has always been integration of blockchain, the knowledge gap, and a lot of the time blockchain developers and kind of real dedicated individuals that know kind of all of the technologies such as Solidity, it costs a lot of money to bring them in. A lot of the time what tends to happen is developers are trained up to kind of meet those objectives. Now, I want to provide this work as a alternative. A lot of the time, blockchain or software that wants to integrate blockchain doesn't require a great deal of work. Normally, it's just like a layer of timestamps or trust or some sort of proof that an event happened. And so this is kind of the focus of the project. Trust Enterprises comes with effectively three components. We have the infrastructure layer, which is Serverless, which runs on Vercel. That contains a REST API, and we have also created a Laravel package, which makes it extremely easy to use Trust Enterprises and the technology behind the scenes, which is Hedera Hashgraph. Now, before we go any further, I'm going to stop here and we're going to continue.